Okay, welcome guys. Well, this is just showing my practice yesterday. We were given an assignment in Old School Africa to design any music app of our choice. So I decided to go with the Apple Music app. I'm actually designing 4 screens. This is the workflow. I'm yet to be through working on the third screen in this particular video. I'll be back to show the final result. This is just me putting in the work yesterday. So we are in the midterm weekend, long holiday. Hopefully I'm able to do much today. I still have a team project we are working on in Art School. It's actually called Art Hub. So we have the engineers, people from different track in the school working together as a team to build a full-fledged product. So we're actually at the design stage now. We are collaborating. So hopefully I'm able to put in a little input in the design flow today. Well, this is me showing working on the assignment I was given. Hope to see you in my next, and I hope you enjoyed watching this. So tell me, how is yours going? Is there anything you observe in this video I could have done better? Remember, I'm still a student who is putting in the work daily. So I would like to hear from you in the comment section. Do not forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. See you in my next. Bye.